Um, Good evening, friends and my dear students. Tomorrow, National Testing Authority will announce NEET 2020 results. Some may get the admission, good rank that will make them to get admission in MBBS in medical college. Definitely all will not get. Some may do not get the good rank so that they will not get the admission in medicine. So that's why I would like to appeal to all my students. Remember 3 words today. The first word is fail. If you fail to get a rank, don't worry. Take your fail, that is your failure in getting a rank, that is fail. First attempt in learning. So it doesn't matter. You have attempted, you have done one well, but it is a competitive examination. Seats are limited, all will not get. So you missed it. So take it as your first attempt in learning process. Fail means your first attempt in learning process. And second word, no. So you didn't get admission means admission is denied because of less marks. So you didn't get the admission. So that means no. Next opportunity. Try again. So you will get it next time. So no. You take the word no as a next opportunity. And then end. Efforts never dry. Efforts never die. You have put all your efforts. Definitely, those efforts will help you in the days to come. Efforts will never dry. So take no as a next opportunity. Take no. That is, so if you don't get admission means we say no admission to you. So that is no as a next opportunity. This year is ended. You didn't get admission. End. Efforts never die. You have put all your efforts. That efforts will help you in the days to come, in the next opportunity to get an admission. So here 3 important words. First one is fail. In case if you don't get admission means you have failed to get good rank. So take that fail as a first attempt in learning process. First attempt in learning process doesn't mean you have just completed intermediate, you didn't get. Take 1 more year coaching. Let me work hard for 1 more year. So definitely I'll get next time. So take that fail as a first attempt in learning process. No as a next opportunity. Let me take another opportunity to show my ability, to prove my intelligence, to get good rank. That will make me to enter in the medical college by getting admission in MBBS. So I take the no as a next opportunity. So this year is ended. You didn't get admission. Take that end as an efforts never die. You have put all your efforts. You have worked out. That knowledge is still there in your brain. That will help you in the days to come. Doesn't matter. So efforts will never die. Take end as efforts never die. Whatever efforts you have put this year will help you in the next opportunity. That take no as a next opportunity. End as efforts never die. Your efforts will never die. Your efforts will help you in the next opportunity to get the good rank that will make you a way for you to get admission in MBBS and thus entering in the medical college. So don't worry about your failure. Don't get disappointed. Don't get stressed. Don't be unhappy. Take your fail as a first attempt in learning and take it in a positive sense. Try next time. Take no as the next opportunity. And remember, your efforts will never die. Definitely, you will get a good rank in the coming years. Coming year. That is in the days to come. And you will get admission in medicine. Wish you all success. God bless you. Shubham Bhuyat.